Hi everyone, this is going to be a video showing you how to install a new end can on your Norden. So the original end can is not really offensive in any way. It's quite actually a nice looking end can for a standard item, but it sounds like a sewing machine. So it's time to get rid of that and fit something nice and fancy. Like that. So yeah, today I'm going to fit the SC Project Rally Raid muffler, they call it. It's not a decat, this is just the can, so it's just going to attach on the top of the cat and replace the original end can. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Right, so supplied in the box from SC Project, you get everything you need apart from tools. The tools you're going to want to just a normal ratchet, an extension bar, a 3mm Allen key, a 6mm Allen key or socket, and a T45 to remove the original can. Supplied with this really nice little carbon heat shield and all the fittings and fasteners that you require, and some nice little assembly instructions as well. So first thing you're going to want to do is fit the nice little carbon heat shield onto the can. So let's apply these nice little clip nuts. They will simply slide over like so. Nice carbon fibre heat shield. It's going to bolt on. On this you have these two little spacers, little top hat spacers, like so, and your two screws. To install the two screws, your 3mm Allen key. Now just make sure that the spacers aren't clamping down on the carbon shield so you don't damage it, like so. And these don't need to be super tight. Next thing you're going to want to do is install the rubber vibration dampener on the mount. So that is the rubber vibration dampener. That simply pushes into the hole like so. Then you're going to have this little spacer pushes into the back. This nice machine spacer push into the front like so. Right, so the next job you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the standard can. So for that you're going to need a ratchet, an extension bar, and a T45. Bolts that require removing is this one here, and also the one on this clamp. So you'll access that from the other side of the bike. So from the left hand side of the bike you can see through there, just on top of the cap, this is the bolt that we want to undo. That's your clamp holding on the pipe. So with the bolt removed, this clamp simply comes in two halves. So we're going to use the same bolt to put your new exhaust on. So again, with T45, we're going to undo the rear clamp. Make sure you support the weight of the exhaust at this point. Simply take the can out. So now with the old exhaust off, you can go ahead and fit the new exhaust. So you want the new bolt to hand, and you want the 6mm Allen key to hand. You're going to feed the exhaust into the bike, set it where it needs to be, and hang it with the rear mount. Now don't tighten this fully yet. We'll get the clamp on at the front, we'll tighten that up, and then we'll tighten the end bolt up. You may need to jiggle the end can around a little bit, just to get this to sit nicely. With the clamp tightened, you can now tighten the end bolt. And there we have it, simple as that. It's just 2 bolts to change end can. Hope you enjoyed watching. I'll point out, you don't need your wheels removed. I just happen to be having new tyres fitted today, so yeah, you can do this with wheels in case you're wondering.